Hey guys, what's up? Today we're trading on expert option. We're going to be doing USD Swiss franc. The reason for that is we actually had we tried to have a break towards the upside, but I believe because of the US data, the 𝗬𝗢𝗧𝗧 sales, currently the medium data over here is actually positive for the US dollar, so I believe it's going to be pushing towards the upside. Although it's been respecting this trend line over here, I still believe it's going to push towards the upside. He already had bullish momentum, so I know the momentum's there. It's just eventually it's probably going to break towards the upside, push towards the downside for a pullback, and then push over here. That's what I believe, at least currently respecting this zone. So it could, pull back, but I believe because of the US data that it was positive, new home sales and all that, I believe it should be okay. So we can place this trade. It's currently on the pullback. Let's place maybe three grand over here. If it pulls back, which it shouldn't, but it might, it really might. It's pulling back currently. That's not good. That's not good. I'm quite intense today. I drank too much coffee, but I believe okay, this pullback over here, we can totally place an upwards trend. We're gonna place a buy signal yet again. We're gonna be buying it. We're gonna be buying it super hard because it's fallen now. There's no chance. He has a very nice US data. He has been trying to break this zone. I know he has been trying. Ideally, you should be placing it on a downtrend, but on my VIP trading signals, we are buying it, and that's why I'm gonna stick to it. I'm gonna stick to my word. So obviously this one didn't come in, but I believe it's going to be pushing towards the upside. The Swiss franc data came out today as well, which was negative. We see it over here. Swiss survey expectations 7.7. New home sales has increased. So generally, fundamentally, the USD Swiss franc currency should be going towards the upside very soon. So that's what I'm expecting, and that's why I'm so confident. It doesn't matter that there's a trend line towards the downside. It has been breaking. It tried to break, it pushed towards the upside. I know the momentum is there. It will just take time for the bulls to come in, but it will definitely push towards the upside. I can guarantee it. And there we go. Very nice indeed. Came in 21 grand. Super happy, very cool. I was quite nervous over here because it's quite a bit of a trade. I could have cleaned my account very quickly, but look, it's pushing towards the upside now. What did I tell you? Because of this, all of this data over here, it just makes sense. I always trade on the economic data, see what's going on. Swiss franc was the negative today. US dollar, getting positive news, it helps out. It's also tried to break this area of sensitivity. I told you a million times already, probably, but we're gonna be placing trades on this one. Is currently on the uptrend. We see it over here. I can't mark stuff. I don't believe on the expert option. I don't like expert option charts anyway. They lag and they're not very good anyway. So but I see it over here. We see this clear uptrend, right? You don't need the trend line to notice that. You realize that, right? It's a total uptrend. He has been going down, a pullback, total uptrend. Let's have a look over here. Look, it's nice. It's trying to break this area of sensitivity, which is a downwards trend line, but I totally believe it will break. And look, it's gaining some momentum. Very nice indeed. Let's have a look on the 15-minute time frame. 15-minute time frame, the only thing I see is the 200 moving average has been being respected on the 15-minute time frame, but that's okay. It's only 15-minute time frame. It doesn't mean a lot. Well, it means a little bit, but not that much. It's not a influential thing. We see it on 30 minutes. Look where the 200 moving average is, so not a very influential thing. There we go. It should be a nice profit since it's climbing very consistently currently, so it should be a nice trade towards the upside, and we carry on doing this. Very nice indeed. It shouldn't drop, I don't believe, and there we go. It's falling. It's going towards the upside. Trade result. There we go. Another grand in my pocket. Can we see something else? It's currently breaking. Very nice indeed. On a pullback, we enter. It's probably gonna, it's probably gonna go towards the upside. That's where I should have entered, to be fair. I was a little bit impatient, I should say, but I believe it's gonna carry on going up because, as I said, the news is, you know, US dollar is positive, Swiss is negative, you know, and I've been trading this. I actually, as I said, you know, I sent this signal on my VIP trading signals. This is the first take profit level it already reached, so I told my guys, you know, to move stop loss level to entry. This is the entry point, so it's a risk free. So for take profit 2 and 3 is gonna be, you know, risk free, and you're trading with the broker's money at the moment. So awesome way to make money. I love Forex. I love, you know, binary options. Oh, it's going down. Okay, what we're gonna do now is just gonna double up. You know my techniques, guys. We always double up on binary options only because it has this time over here, and this time is lame. When you trade Forex, if you have enough margin, it doesn't matter. You know, you have your stop loss level somewhere predefined, and then if it goes down somewhere, you know, to a 9762 level, then you might, you know, close off. If it doesn't and it fluctuates in between these two areas, you keep it open, and you keep it open till you start profiting. That's the way you do it on Forex. But on expert option is a little bit different story, right? As we see, it has fallen down. It's gonna be doing that for a while now, since the news is not too influential. It's just home sales, but it will be, trust me, it's probably gonna push within the next couple of hours towards the upside. I can guarantee it. We just need to catch the right moment currently, and this is obviously like a couple of minute trade, and so that's why it might not be too profitable straight away, but I can guarantee it's gonna be pushing towards the upside. Let's place this trade. Let's place another 4 trades, I believe. There we go, 4 trades. Yeah, okay, pushing towards the upside, 4 trades. If it pulls back yet again, I'm gonna be placing maybe another trade towards the upside. 84%, you know, not success rate, return of investment. So we'll see if that comes in. So in the meantime, let's just have a look what the market's doing currently, you know, fluctuating about. As you can see, it's trying to force itself down a little bit, but I know the US data is strong enough. It should be pushing towards the upside. So let's just see what's going on expert option. Profit 7,360 if this comes in. Oh, it's falling down a little bit. Why? There's no reason. Go on, broker, don't screw with me. There we go. Okay, very nice indeed. Trade result 22 grand. Obviously I recovered what I lost. I think it was like around 22 grand. So kind of lame a little bit that the broker's doing that for me, but let's just have a look on the 1 hourly. 46 minutes left until the candlestick closes, so there's not going to be much, there's not going to be much movement. It's probably going to move around like this in this zone somewhere. Let's just have a look on the 5-minute chart. As we see, it is moving around, you know, it's definitely has, you know, bullish pressure. We see this with this candle over here, you know, you see this wick push towards the upside. It's a very bullish engulfing candle as well. Should be pushing towards the upside, definitely. It's on a nice pullback as well. I believe now it's a good time to enter a nice trade towards the upside yet again. So let's see if that happens. Obviously, this is 1 minute trading, binary options, expert options. So you can't be too accurate with this. As long as you know what you're doing, as long as you identify, you know, areas of sensitivity, you know the general trend, the general direction where the market should be going, you know the fundamental news, that's the way I trade personally, and I'm profitable in expert option, in Forex, you know, everywhere else. As you can see, it's pushing towards the upside. Like I said, it's gonna push, we just don't know when, but look, it's a nice push towards the upside. We see it over here, it's now breaking, very nice. That's what I like to see. Let's have a look at expert option. There we go, profit $3,680 currently. Very nice indeed. It should be coming in. I'm so confident it's gonna come in. I'm actually sad that I didn't place even more trades. I just don't want to, you know, over exaggerate my trading abilities, you know, because sometimes markets move randomly. But yeah, definitely, look, it's breaking. As I said, it's gonna happen. It was, you know, unavoidable. We see it over here, you know, a nice push towards the upside. You know, look at this over here, look at this candle. This wick over here just tells me that there's so much, you know, pressure towards the upside, and there's these buyers over here. Look, I buy, you know, there's the buyers, they're here in the markets, and I believe in them. Also, if it just pulls back till this level somewhere, we can place another buy trade. So let's see if that happens. you know, placing on pullbacks, buying in cheap, you know, selling it high, and that's how you make money on binary options as well. So yeah, it's pulling back a little bit. I believe it's going to be pushing towards the upside yet again. This was the new higher high currently, so if it pulls back a little bit more towards the downside, we can potentially enter a trade. But I'm kind of happy with my account balance anyway. Yep, I'm telling you, it's gonna push down. It's probably gonna break and make a new higher high, which it is currently making a new higher high. I don't really use these charts, so I apologize if it's a little bit random, but we might, if it goes down, we might place a buy signal yet again. Why not? Let's place a buy signal. I believe it should be pushing towards the upside. The only thing we need to look out for on the 15-minute is this 200 moving average line, which acts as a resistance zone. We see this orange line over here. It always acts as a resistance, but as I said, it's only on the 15-minute, so it doesn't mean a lot. You know, it might have a little consolidation, but it's not a fundamental thing to worry about. So on 1 hourly, as we see it, is breaking. Very nice indeed. Expert option. Very nice profit. Okay, I'm gonna be ending this trading session. Look, 25 grand. Very nice indeed. Very clear money amount. You know, it doesn't have, you know, any random. So I think this is the best time to end this video. If you would like to join my VIP trading signals on the Forex markets, we have been killing it. Make sure to join with the link down in the description below. And take care, guys. There's a new trading software coming out, by the way, which is a killer. Trust me, it's a total killer. I've never seen anything like it, so stay tuned for that, and make sure to smash like. If you enjoy these videos, subscribe and share this video to your friends. Take care, peace out, and goodbye.
Everything changes.